In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated job listings collector with a schedule trigger, API fetch, and Google Sheets. We'll start by setting up a schedule trigger node. Think of this as the alarm clock for your workflow. It wakes the automation every 6 hours, so it can check for new job listings several times a day without you lifting a finger. This consistent rhythm ensures you don't miss fresh opportunities that appear between manual checks. Next, we'll add a set search term node. Here, we define the keyword we want to track, which in this workflow is web developer. Storing the search term in one place keeps everything clean and reusable. So if you ever want to pivot to a different role, you'll update it once and the entire workflow follows suit. Now, add an HTTP request node named Fetch Job Listings. This is the part that reaches out to the internet and pulls in results using the Rapid API Job Search API. It sends the search term, requests listings, and returns details like job titles, companies, and links. Make sure you include your API key securely in the request headers for authentication. Treat this node like your tireless robot assistant, scanning job sites and delivering structured data on demand. To keep things reliable, add an IF node called Check API Response. Its job is to verify whether the API call succeeded. APIs can occasionally fail due to an expired key, a network hiccup, or server downtime. The IF node branches your workflow into a true path for success and a false path for failure, so nothing silently breaks. On the failure path, connect an email send node named Send Failure Notification Email. If the request fails, you'll automatically receive an alert explaining that the job search didn't go through and suggesting what to check next, such as your API key, the endpoint, or the request formatting. This prompt signal helps you fix issues quickly and keep the automation healthy. When the API works, route to a code node called Extract Job Data. This node processes the raw response and pulls out just the listings you need. The logic is simple and efficient. Return $input first parenthesis .json.data.data semicolon. In plain language, it grabs the array of jobs from the response and hands it off neatly to the next step. Finally, add a Google Sheets node named Save to Google Sheet 1. Each listing becomes a new row with the job title, URL, company name, posting date, source, tags, and even view counts. Over time, this sheet evolves into a live, searchable database of opportunities you can filter, sort, and share.